So that's as far as Astron in the Netherlands are prepared to go with me for you. I thought, until they emailed me this. Isn't that fascinating? You clearly heard the Doppler shift. The Doppler shift proves that it's not coming from human interference. The signal, whatever it is coming from something that's moving. It's either rotating or going away or coming towards us. Obviously, those two characteristics would come from an exoplanet. It's rotating and it's also orbiting, meaning it's coming towards you and going away.